Question 31. What is the median of the distribution? So we have the table with the max and frequency. To find the median, what we need first is the median class, and that is only possible if we know sum of frequency, that is 25. This sum is odd, so when the sum of frequency is odd, to get the median class you add 1 to it and divide by 2. If it is even, there is no need of adding 1. So you have 25 plus 1 over 2, that is 26 over 2, and you have the 13th position. So in the frequency, you keep on adding them until you get to the 13th position. So you have 6 is less than 13. You add 6 to 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is 14. Now 13 is contained in this place. The sum of 6 and 8, and the mark there is 2. So the median mark or the median is 2. A is the correct option. Question 32. Which of these statements about y equal to 8 root m is correct? From the options, you need to multiply through by log to base 10. So you multiply through by log to base 10 in this form. You know product implies addition. So if the log should go through, you have log y equal to log 8 plus log root n, and root implies power of 1 over 2. Because the base is 10, by power law of logarithm, 1 over 2 is used to multiply the log in this form. By this, D is the correct option. Question 33. If s plus 0.4y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 over 2s, find the value of s plus y. So this is the first equation. In order to remove this decimal number, you need to multiply through by 10. So you have 10s plus 4y equal to 30. Divide through by 2. You have this result. Let's call that equation 1. This is the second equation. Multiply through by s by 2 to clear fraction. You have 2y equal to s. Let's call that equation 2. In equation 2, s is already standing alone. So let us substitute equation 2 into equation 1. This is equation 1. Anywhere you see s, replace it with 2y in this form, and you have 12y, that is 5 times 2y, 10y plus 2y, you have 12y equal to 15. Divide through by 12, so y is equal to this, and it reduces to 5 over 4. From equation 2, s is equal to 2y and y is 5 over 2. So s becomes 2 times 5 over 4, rather not 2, 5 over 4. If you reduce 2 and 4 by 2, this becomes 5 over 2. Therefore, s plus y is equal to 5 over 2 for s plus 5 over 4 for y. The LCM is 4. Divide 4 by 2 is 2. 2 times 5, you have 10. Divide 4 by 4 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. If you add, you have 15 over 4. That is improper fraction. If you convert to mixed fraction, you have 3 whole number, 3 over 7. C is the correct option. Question 34. Express 3 minus s minus y over y as a single fraction. You can write these 3 as over 1 to have a balanced fraction. The LCM is y. If you divide y by 1, you have y times 3, you have 3y. Now followed by minus. If you divide y by y, you have 1. Now because here is minus and you have 2 terms, s minus y, coming after the minus sign, you have to put them in brackets in this form, so that if you open the bracket with minus 1, you have 3y plus 3y minus s plus y. That is minus times minus is plus. If you add like terms, 3y plus y is 4y minus s over 4 over y over y. That is the single fraction. By this, D is the correct option. Question 35. Find the coefficient of m in the expansion of this. Coefficient is that number that multiplies a letter. So you need to expand this first. So when expanding, the first term times first term, second term times first term, second term. So m over 2 times m over 1. That is m squared over 2. M times m squared. 2 times 1 is 2. M over 2 times 2 over 3. That is 2m over 6. You use the second term. Minus 3 over 2 times m over 1. You have minus 3m over 2. And minus 3 over 2 times plus 2 over 3. That is minus 1. So we need to add these two terms in order to get the coefficients. So this term remains the same. For these terms, the LCM is 6. So you have 2m minus 9m. That is, divide 6 by 2 is 3. 3 minus 3m, you have minus 6m, then minus 1. If you subtract, you have m squared over 2 plus minus 7m over 6 minus 1, and that implies this. So the coefficient of m is minus 7 over 6. In mixed fraction, minus 1 whole number, 1 over 6. D is the correct option. Question 36. In the diagram, MN is parallel PO. Angle PMN is 112 degrees. Angle PNO 129 degrees. Angle NOP is 37 degrees. And angle MPN is equal to y. Find the value of y. To get the value of y, you have to look at triangle PMN. Now, this angle is needed. To get this angle, you have to get this angle from triangle NN. So if you add the three angles in triangle NOP, the sum is 180 degrees. That simplifies to this. You get this angle to be 14 degrees. Now, angle NPO is equal to angle PNM. That is this angle, alternate angles, because line MN and PO are parallel. So in triangle PMN, if you add the three angles, the sum is 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. The sum of these two angles, and that is 54 degrees. B is the correct option. Question 37. If set P is equal to prime factors of 210 and Q equal to prime less than 10, find P intersection Q. Looking at Q alone, you don't need to do much because prime factor less than 10 are also in 210. So for less than 10, the prime factors there are 2, 3, 5, 7. They are also in 210. So the intersection is 2, 3, 5, 7. That is option D. Mind you, prime numbers are numbers with two factors 1 and 8 self. D is the correct option. Question 38. Alfred spent 1/4 of his money on food, 1/3 on clothing, and saved the rest. If he saved this amount, how much did he spend on food? Solution. Let Alfred's total money be S naira. From the S naira, he spent 1/4 of it on food. So you have 1/4, 1/3 on clothing, and he saved 72,000 naira. All the amount he spent and the one he saved is equal to the total money S. So let's transfer all the S to one side. You have this result. If you simplify this, you have 72000 equal to 5/12S. To get S, multiply through by 12 and divide by 5. So S is equal to this, and that is 172,800. The amount he spent on food is 1/4 of S, and S is this. So you have this result. If you divide this by 4, you have 43,200 naira. A is the correct option. Question 39. Solve 27/125 to the power of -1/3 times 4/9 to the power of 1/3. This minus sign needs to disappear. If you apply negative index, since the base is fractional, you simply interchange the position of numerator and denominator. The power becomes positive. 1/3 means cube root. So cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 27 is 3. 1 over 2 here means square root. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. If you multiply, you have 10 over 9. Mind you, you don't find LCM when you are multiplying fractions. You multiply numerator against numerator and denominator against denominator. B is the correct option. Question 40. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1800 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? Find n, that is the meaning. Sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is obtained using this formula, and that sum is given to you as this. So you equate it to the formula. If you divide through by 180 degrees, you have 10 equal to n minus 2. Transfer minus 2 to the other side, you have 10 plus 2 equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 12. B is the correct option. Pythagoras simplified maths. If you are watching and view from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like and share PSM videos. If you are watching and view from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.